Hey everybody, we're going to take our blade off our Honda to do our annual sharpening. Now you should sharpen these blades at least once or twice a year so you can get better cut grass. So we're just taking that off right there. When you take it off, be careful you don't cut your hand on the blade.
Wear a glove or hold a rag.
There we go, the blade's off. Safety first, always wear safety goggles. Now we sharpen our blades once or twice a year. If you don't have a grinder like this, you can use a file or take it to your local dealer and they'll professionally sharpen it for you. You don't want your blade to get out of balance. Turn on the light. Now, our lawnmower is a twin cut, so this is the second blade. Like I said, our mower is a twin cut. This is the second blade. Now my dad always takes a hand file and does the other side to make it a little bit sharper and improve cutting. There's the blade. That's sharp. That's the second one. There's our two blades. That was the blade sharpening for Honda Lawnmower. Thanks for watching, guys.